Do you know what? I've just been for the most brilliant walk. Did you realise Castle Cary's so pretty?
Did you go up by the castle?
Yes, I did.
Walking through the town, it's so quirky Cary, with all the independent shops and beautiful architecture and the colour of the stonework.
Yeah, really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, really, really unusual.
Do you know what, that stone is gorgeous, isn't it? Beautiful. And I noticed this is what the market halls are made of, but I tell you something really scary happened to me here.
Really?
Yeah, I was doing a project actually upstairs in one of the very cold, dark rooms, and I was suddenly aware I wasn't alone.
No.
It was a really, really strange feeling. It was like I was being watched the whole time. And every time you looked, you know, it's very strange. Scary Cary.
Castle Cary.
Absolutely. Do you know what? That has really scared me. I guess I need a drink. And talking of which, there's some great places to eat here. Have you tried any of them?
I haven't. No, in the pub as well.
What? That pub there?
Well, that was pleasant,
Yeah,
wasn't
it was good, wasn't it? Needs a bit of doing up though.
Well, I think that's coming. It's been bought by the Newt.
Yeah, I'm sure it will improve the pub, but I'm a bit worried about what they're doing overall. It just seems they seem to be buying up so much stuff, and it's turning this lovely historic town into one person's vision of what it should be like.
I don't see it like that. I look at all of the benefits that we've got from the Newt. They've encouraged lots of trades and crafts, the re-emergence of dry stone walling and thatching and all of these traditional trades that had been in decline.
One of the many attractions of this lovely old market town of Castle Cary is this wonderful cobbled pathway. And we're surrounded by a gorgeous selection of old buildings, many of them made from Cary stone. As we can see here with the old market house, which was built in 1855 for local traders to use and trade in. And it's actually quarried at Hadspun Quarry, which is literally only 2 miles up the road. And it's one of many buildings here in the High Street which make this such an attractive location.
Well, I thought Castle Cary was just a railway station.